Hi, let's learn some English today. Do you know the difference between speak and talk? Yes, there is difference. Let me show you some examples and then we can learn what the difference is. If you see this screen here, I'm providing examples over here. See, the meaning of the verbs appears to be the same, but there is a difference. Speak is used in a formal situation. For example, I speak to my students in the class. That's formal situation. And the word talk is used in an informal situation. So they were talking with each other while the class is going on. See the preposition, they were talking with each other. So this is an informal situation. And then when we refer to language, we use speak. Example, how many languages can you speak? We don't ask how many languages can you talk. For example, I can say, I wish I could speak Spanish. Here, we don't use talk. And in telephonic conversations, for example, can I speak to a manager? Can I speak to the manager? Or may I know who is speaking? We don't ask may I know who is talking. See the polite way, can I speak to the manager? May I know who is speaking? And they were talking over the phone. They were talking over the phone. So these are some examples what I have given. That's enough for today. See you tomorrow. Bye.